Hi, it's Angeline here. I'm back with a brand new crafty video with Unity stamp. Today I'm gonna show you how to color on some toned gray paper that I recently got with this new cute Cuddlebug dragon from Unity stamp. And today I'm using the Strathmore Toned Gray paper, which is really nice and has kind of like a fibers in it. So today I'm using the Prismacolor 36 to color in this cute dragon. What's great about using this toned gray paper is that you don't have to color the entire piece of paper because it already has color. So here I'm just sketching in this cave with a half circle and straight line behind him. I think anyone can do this. I'm not great at drawing, so I think you can do it too. So I'm just coloring in the cave behind him with some darker colors. And then what you want to do is to blend it either with the lighter color or using a colorless blender. This will kind of like smoothen everything out and make the colors more vibrant and blended together. So just have fun, pick out some really fun colors and just color your heart out. Next, I am drawing some flames in here. Just draw some abstract shapes or anything that kind of looks like flames, because as you can see, I'm not wonderful at drawing as well. But what I'm doing is alternating colors here to make it kind of look like fire. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this video and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!